So the questions and answers.
It's called.
Yesterday I was reading in the Srimad Bhagavatam, the first canon, chapter 8, we hear Kunti Devi praying for difficulties in her life so that she can always think of Krishna. And I don't want so many difficulties as her, but I do want to think about Krishna.
Hier, je lisais dans le premier chant du Bhagavatam, chapitre 8, les prières de la reine Kunti, où elle exprime à Krishna qu'elle souhaite qu'il envoie plus de difficultés pour qu'elle puisse s'absorber en lui. Donc, je ne peux pas dire que je puisse être au niveau de la reine Kunti, mais j'aspire à penser plus à Krishna. Comment est-ce qu'on peut s'absorber plus, penser plus à Krishna?
Ok. Omagyanati Mirandasya. Ganam Jalam Shalakaya. Shakshurumiritam Janatasme Shigulavenama. Namam Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pestaya Bhutale. Shrimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Nitinamine. Namaste Sarasvati Deve. Kaulavani Pracharine. Nilveshesha Sunyavadi Prachajada Shatari. C'est le sentiment du pur dévot.
This is the feeling of the pure devotee.
Il cherche Krishna.
He is searching for Krishna.
Parfois, Krishna, dans son service,
Sometimes Krishna in his service,
l'observe.
he observes him
Et il se sent malheureux.
and he feels unhappy.
Et il constate
And he realizes
que dans la difficulté,
that in difficulty,
il est plus présent,
Krishna is more present,
plus attentif.
more attentive.
Et à ce moment-là,
And then
il réalise au plus profond de
he
lui-même
realizes deep within himself
que cette circonstance,
that this circumstance
elle est la meilleure pour lui.
is the best for him.
Dans cette séparation,
In this separation,
il se rappelle de ce moment.
he remembers this moment.
Quand je souffrais,
When I was suffering,
tu étais tellement proche de moi.
you were so much close to me.
Alors il désire souffrir
So he desires to suffer,
pour que Krishna soit présent.
so that Krishna is present.
C'est la nature du dévot.
It is the nature of the devotee.
C'est des sentiments spirituels
There are spiritual feelings
qui sont extrêmement difficiles à
that
comprendre.
are extremely difficult to understand.
Il faut avoir rencontré personnellement Krishna
We need to have met personally Krishna
pour pouvoir saisir
to be able to understand, to grasp
ce genre de sentiments.
this kind of feelings.
C'est pas possible.
It is not possible.
Quand un dévot par une
When
grande
a
fortune,
devotee through a great fortune,
il est appelé dans le monde
he
transcendantal
is called in the transcendental world,
et qu'il est dans sa forme
and
spirituelle
he is in his spiritual form,
éternelle,
eternal,
dans la compagnie de Krishna.
in the company of Krishna.
Alors,
Then
il expérimente
he experiences
quelque chose d'extraordinaire
something that is extraordinary,
que personne ne peut expliquer,
that nobody can explain,
que même lui ne peut pas expliquer.
that even he himself cannot explain.
Parce que cette expérience,
Because this experience
elle ne peut pas être ramenée dans le monde matériel,
cannot be taken back in the material world.
mais elle est sa réalité.
It is his reality.
À ce moment-là,
Then
il devient en séparation
he becomes in separation
avec Krishna,
with Krishna,
mais avec
but with
sa propre réalité.
his own reality.
C'est pourquoi
This is why
de tels sentiments
such
apparaissent.
feelings appear.
Parikshit Maharaj,
Parikshit Maharaj,
quand il a vu Krishna dans le sein d'Uttara, sa
he
mère,
saw Krishna in the womb of Uttara, his mother.
lorsqu'il est sorti,
When he came out,
on l'a appelé Parikshit,
we called him Parikshit,
Parikshit Maharaj, hein, celui qui cherche Krishna.
the one who is searching for Krishna.
Peut-être que je me suis trompé de nom. Non, je ne m'étais pas trompé de nom.
Parikshit.
Dans le sein d'Uttara,
Oui,
j'ai dit,
ouais,
ok.
c'est ça, ouais, ouais.
Et partout,
And everywhere,
il cherchait Krishna.
he was searching for Krishna.
C'est un processus d'amour.
It is a process of love.
Krishna se montre,
Krishna shows himself,
il se cache.
he hides himself.
Et après, on cherche Krishna.
And after we're searching for Krishna.
Mais comme personne
But since nobody
peut rivaliser avec Krishna,
can rival with
alors
Krishna,
le dévot pleure.
then the devotee cries.
Toutes ces expériences,
All these experiences,
elles sont limitées.
they're limited.
Et elles lui apportent la
And they
séparation.
bring him separation.
Et quand la séparation
And
devient
when
extrême,
separation becomes extreme,
comme un feu,
just like a fire,
alors tout est purifié
then everything is
et
purified
Krishna vient.
and Krishna comes.
Alors il peut
Then
réexpérimenter.
he can experience again.
Srila Vishwanath Chaitanya Thakur, dans le commentaire du premier chant du Bhagavatam,
In his commentary on the first canto of Bhagavatam,
lorsque
when
Narada Muni il voit le Seigneur Narayan
Narada Muni sees the Lord
sous l'arbre
Narayan
Pipal,
under the Pipala tree,
c'est ce qu'il révèle.
that's what he reveals.
C'est le processus.
This is the process.
Krishna se montre une fois.
Krishna shows himself once,
Et après,
and after,
l'amour qu'on
the
contracte,
love that we receive
c'est le dynamisme
is the dynamic
pour tout atteindre
to attain everything,
et pour que tout soit purifié à
and so that
l'intérieur.
everything can be purified inside.
C'est le jeu de Krishna.
This is the play of Krishna.
Il dit normalement,
He says normally
c'est la méthode que Krishna fait.
it is the method that Krishna do.
Après, il y a des
After,
méthodes plus
There
miséricordieuses.
are more merciful methods.
Ça, pas beaucoup de personnes attendront
Otherwise, not so
Krishna.
many people will attain Krishna.
Mais Srila Vishwanath Chaitanya Thakur
But
explique
Srila
ça.
Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur explains,
Quand on expérimente Krishna,
when we experience Krishna,
on expérimente la séparation. de
we
Krishna.
experience separation also.
Et c'est dans cette séparation
And it is in this
que
separation
Krishna vient.
that Krishna comes.
Quand on pleure,
When we cry,
quand on sent son cœur fondre,
when we feel our heart melt,
alors l'expérience de Krishna revient.
then the experience of Krishna comes back.
Et dans ces pleurs,
And in these tears,
on devient satisfait.
we
heureux.
become satisfied, happy.
C'est pour ça que la reine
This is
Kunti,
why Queen Kunti,
bien qu'elle est en présence de
although she is
Krishna,
in the presence of Krishna,
elle a aussi ce sentiment.
she also has this feeling.
Parce que même dans la présence de
Because even
Krishna,
in the presence of Krishna,
on peut ressentir la séparation pour Krishna.
we can feel separation from Krishna.
Tellement les sentiments sont élevés.
So much the feelings are elevated.
Shrimati Radharani,
Srimati Radharani,
qui est l'incarnation de
Oui.
l'amour pour Krishna,
the incarnation of love for Krishna.
quand elle est en présence de
When she
Krishna,
is in the presence of Krishna,
son sentiment est tellement
our feeling is so
Fort.
much strong
qu'elle pense qu'elle est séparée de
that
Krishna.
she thinks that she is separated from Krishna.
Toutes sortes d'émotions
All kinds of feelings
existent.
exist.
Parce que le
Because
monde de l'amour,
The world of love,
c'est des océans d'émotions.
it is oceans of emotions.
Et les vagues
And the waves,
sont inconcevablement
they're
hautes.
inconceivably high.
Elle peut pas,
They cannot,
ça peut pas être imaginé.
it cannot be imagined.
Ces émotions-là, ils ne
These
peuvent pas
feelings,
exister
they
ici.
cannot exist here.
Mais à un certain niveau,
But on a certain level,
on peut ressentir
we can feel
la séparation
separation
avec Krishna.
with Krishna.
La preuve,
The proof,
c'est que Rukmini,
it is that Rukmini,
alors bien sûr,
yeah, of course,
elle est l'associée
she
éternelle,
is the eternal associate,
la femme du Seigneur à Dwarka.
the wife of the Lord in Dwarka.
Simplement en entendant
Simply
Krishna,
by hearing Krishna,
elle a développé
the name,
pour Varag
she developed Purvarag,
ce désir
this desire
d'être avec lui.
to be with him.
Ainsi,
In
lorsqu'on
this
écoute
way,
les
when we
sadhus,
listen to the sadhus,
sadhu, ça veut dire
sadhu means
celui qui a rencontré
the
Krishna.
one who met Krishna.
Sadhu dit pour les passionnés. On ne parle pas de quelqu'un
We
qui a
don't
juste
speak about someone who
écouté,
just listened.
on parle de quelqu'un
We
qui a
speak
vu
about
Krishna
someone who
face à
saw
face,
Krishna face to face,
dans un corps
in
spirituel.
a spiritual body.
Hein, on ne parle pas de
We don't
quelqu'un
speak about
qui est
someone
juste
who
gourou
is just a guru
par une procédure.
out of procedure.
Hein, je parle d'un sadhu.
Here I speak about the sadhu.
Quand il parle,
When he speaks,
son expérience de
his
Krishna,
experience of Krishna
elle entre
It
dans le
enters.
cœur du disciple
in the heart of the disciples
ou de l'audience.
or the audience.
Et à ce moment-là,
And then
il peut développer,
he can develop,
sans même le comprendre,
even without
un
understanding,
sentiment de séparation avec Krishna.
a feeling of separation with Krishna.
Et à ce moment-là,
And
Krishna
then
devient
Krishna
attiré.
becomes attracted.
Et le dévot
The
développe
devotee develops
les stages de la fixation,
The
du
stage-
goût, de
stages
l'attachement
of-
pour Krishna.
fixedness,
Et
taste,
l'amour
attachment
pour
for
Krishna.
Krishna and love for Krishna
Et finalement, il
And
entre
finally he
dans la
enters.
demeure du Seigneur.
in the abode of the Lord.
C'est pourquoi Sadhu
And
Sangha,
this is why Sadhu
à un haut
Sangha
niveau,
on a high level
c'est vital.
is vital.
S'il n'y a pas de
If
connexion avec
there's
un
no
pur dévot,
connection with a pure
il n'y
devotee,
a pas cet attrait-là.
this attraction is not there.
Et ce sentiment
And
de
this
séparation qui
feeling
va
of
venir.
separation cannot come.
C'est ça que Prabhupada
This is what
a
Prabhupada
créé.
created.
Une société
A society
pour qu'il y ait des purs
so
dévots.
that there can be pure
Et par
devotees.
leur
And
expérience,
through their experience,
ils donnent cette bhakti.
he gives this bhakti.
Et les gens pleurent.
And people cry.
Tout le monde pleure.
Everyone cries.
Les associés de Mahaprabhu, ils
The
pleuraient
associates
tous.
of Mahaprabhu, they all cried.
Quand Mahaprabhu pleurait, ils
When
pleuraient
Mahaprabhu
tous.
was crying, they were all crying.
Ça, c'est le mouvement de Sankirtan.
This is the Sankirtan movement.
C'est pas juste un
It's
mouvement.
not just a
On
movement
met un tilak,
where we put a tilak
tac, 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 et on fait du
and
service.
we do service.
On chante 6 heures à
We
Harinam
chant
par
6 hours
jour.
Harinam per day.
Non, non,
No, no.
il faut écouter,
We have to
il
listen.
faut s'associer.
We have to associate.
Parce que le chant par
Because the
lui-même,
chanting on its own
il ne donnera pas le fruit
will not give the fruit.
si on n'a pas la bonne
We do
association.
not have the good association.
Tout vient par la miséricorde
Everything comes through the mercy
du dévot du Seigneur.
of the devotee of the Lord.
C'est le processus
It
que
is the
Krishna donne.
process that Krishna gave.
Quand, par exemple,
When,
dans la
for
Bhagavad
example,
Gita,
in the Bhagavad Gita,
il est devenu le maître
he became
spirituel
the spiritual master
d'Arjuna.
of Arjuna.
Doshopata Swabhava Prichami. Vishwanath dit,
Vishwanath says
il fait parler Krishna.
he makes Krishna speak.
D'habitude, c'est pas le processus
Usually
Arjuna.
this is not the process, Arjuna,
C'est pas moi
It's
qui,
not me.
qui devient le gourou.
who becomes the guru.
J'envoie mon dévot.
I send my devotee.
S'il n'y a pas de dévot dans notre vie,
If there's no devotee in our life,
s'il n'y a pas d'amour pour un
if there's
dévot,
no love for a
de
devotee,
dépendance pour un pur
a
dévot,
dependence on a pure devotee,
alors il n'y a rien qui se passe dans notre cœur.
then nothing happens in our heart.
Notre cœur est vide
Our heart is empty,
de sentiments.
the feeling of feelings.
Et c'est très difficile.
And it is really difficult
Parce qu'on est dans un
because we are
mouvement
in a movement
de sentiments.
of feelings.
On est dans un mouvement
We're in
d'amour.
a movement of love.
Si vous ne voulez pas
If you
développer
don't
des
want to
sentiments et de
develop
l'amour,
feelings and love,
alors c'est difficile à comprendre ce qu'on fait ici.
then it's difficult to understand what we're doing here.
C'est comme anormal presque.
It's like abnormal, for example.
C'est pourquoi
And this is why
Srila Prabhupada a mis en
Srila
place
Prabhupada put into place
la classe du Bhagavatam
the Bhagavatam class
pour écouter.
to listen.
Mais plus un dévot est
But the
élevé,
more the devotee is elevated,
plus l'effet se fait.
the more the effect happens.
Parce que la rencontre
Because the meeting
qu'il a avec Krishna,
that he has with Krishna,
ce souvenir de cette
this
rencontre,
remembrance of this meeting,
il entre
it enters
dans le cœur
in the heart
de ceux
of those
qui ont l'avidité.
who have greed.
Il faut l'avidité pour
We
écouter.
need greed.
Si vous écoutez sans
If you
avidité,
listen without greed,
juste comme des robots,
just like robots,
parce qu'il faut être là le
because you
matin,
have to be there in the
hein,
morning,
comme des légumes,
like vegetables,
ça marche pas.
it doesn't work.
Il faut le sentiment
We need to have the feeling
pour recevoir
to receive
la miséricorde.
the mercy.
Parce que c'est très
Because it
élevé.
is really
C'est très
elevated.
infime,
It is
intime.
really intimate.
Krishna est là dans la vibration du
Krishna is
sadhu.
there in the vibration of the sadhu.
Eh, Krishna ne veut pas se révéler
Krishna doesn't
facilement.
want to reveal himself easily.
Mais si vous êtes abandonné,
But if you are surrendered,
alors Krishna est obligé de venir.
then Krishna is obliged to come.
Parce que c'est le désir du
Because
pur
it is the
dévot.
desire of the pure devotee.
Quand quelqu'un a une bonne
When someone
attitude,
has a good attitude,
le pur dévot, il veut
the pure devotee, he wants
que Krishna vienne dans sa vie.
that Krishna comes in his life.
C'est ça, Prabhupada.
This is Prabhupada.
C'est ça la personnalité de
This is the
Prabhupada.
personality of
Une
Prabhupada.
telle compassion.
Such compassion.
Il avait Krishna.
He had Krishna.
Un jour, un disciple de
One day, one
Prabhupada,
disciple of
il a dit,
Prabhupada,
Prabhupada, qu'est-ce que fait Krishna en ce
what
moment?
does Krishna do right now?
Et il ferme les yeux
He
et
closes
dit,
his eyes.
il est assis.
He said, he is sitting.
C'est ça le Vaishnava.
This is the Vaishnava.
Il peut savoir ce que Krishna fait.
You can know what Krishna does.
Il est toujours avec Krishna.
He's always with Krishna.
Il voit toujours Krishna.
He always sees Krishna.
Ça, c'est ce qu'on appelle le premier
This is
Vaishnava.
what we call the Premi Bhakta.
C'est très rare.
It's really rare.
Mais on obtient
But
l'association
we obtain the association
à travers le désir.
through the desire.
Krishna
Krishna,
comble
He fulfills
les désirs.
the desires.
Si on ne désire pas
If we
progresser,
don't desire to progress,
on n'aura pas une haute
we won't
association.
have a high association
À moins
unless
que dans notre vie
that in
passée,
our previous life
on a déjà
we already
progressé.
progressed.
Ça veut dire,
That means
Krishna explique ça,
Krishna explains
selon
this
sa propre
according
volonté,
to our own will.
hein, il reprend le chemin.
Someone takes back the path.
Je pense que t'as mal traduit, tu sais.
Okay.
Contre même sa volonté, il reprend le
okay.
chemin.
Even against his own will, he takes back the path.
Ouais, j'ai senti que c'était pas ça. Il faut que tu fasses attention, il faut que tu écoutes bien, tu sais, parce que sans ça, tu me mets dans l'erreur.
D'accord.
C'est pas correct. De la même manière,
In the same way,
celui qui
the one who
a pratiqué dans ses vies passées
practiced in his previous lives
à un haut niveau,
on a high level,
même
even
contre son désir,
against his desire,
il a l'association.
he has the
grand
association
Vaishnav.
of the great
Et
Vaishnava,
alors, il va
and then he will
accepter la
reaccept
bhakti
bhakti
comme sa vie.
just like his own life.
C'est un processus.
It is a process.
Ce qu'on n'a pas,
What we don't
on ne
have,
peut pas l'inventer.
we cannot invent it.
Sans ça, il faut l'acquérir.
Otherwise, we need to acquire it.
Sadhu Sangha.
Sadhu Sangha.
Mais ceux qui n'ont pas d'avidité,
But those who don't have greed,
ils ne cherchent pas
they don't look.
Sadhu Sangha.
Sadhu Sangha.
Ça ne les intéresse pas.
They're not interested by it.
Donc pour eux,
So for
Krishna,
them, Krishna,
il reste lointain.
he stays far away.
Et dans une prochaine
And in the
existence,
next life,
alors il les aide
then he helps them
pour qu'ils se rapprochent de lui.
so that they get closer to him.
Pourquoi Krishna forcerait les êtres?
Why Krishna will force beings?
Est-ce que vous aimez forcer? Est-ce que vous aimez être forcé?
Do you like to be forced?
Donc Krishna réciproque,
So Krishna reciprocates.
c'est normal.
It is normal.
On ne peut pas lui en vouloir.
We cannot have some resentment towards him.
Alors bien sûr, c'est difficile à
So,
entendre.
of course, it is difficult to hear.
Mais si on veut progresser,
But if we want to progress,
on doit comprendre
we must understand
comment Krishna réciproque,
how Krishna reciprocates.
comment on doit changer
How we
d'attitude,
must change our attitude.
comment on peut
How
progresser.
we can progress.
Si on se ment à nous-mêmes,
If we lie to ourselves,
alors on est malheureux.
then we're unhappy.
Et à un moment, on ne comprend
And at
pas
some point, we don't
ce qui se
understand
passe dans notre vie.
what is happening in our life.
Et le doute vient.
And doubts are coming.
C'est pourquoi
This is why
la connaissance,
knowledge
elle est
is-
tranchante,
cutting,
mais elle est nécessaire.
but it is necessary.
C'est pourquoi le
This
gourou,
is why the guru,
qui est le représentant de la
who is the
connaissance,
representative of knowledge,
hein, ça veut dire
that
tranchant.
means cutting.
C'est pas qu'il est méchant,
It's not that it is cruel.
mais le
But-
contact avec le monde pur
The contact with the pure world
rend ses paroles
makes his words
tranchantes.
cutting.
Et grâce à ça,
And due to this,
par cette association,
through this association,
alors on peut progresser.
then we can progress.
Délaisser ce qui est
To
inférieur
let go of what is inferior,
pour accepter ce qui est
to
supérieur.
accept what is superior.
C'est un processus.
It is a process,
Mais c'est un processus
but it is
d'amour.
a process of love.
Les choses se font graduellement
Things happen gradually.
parce que notre conscience
Because our
évolue
consciousness
graduellement.
evolves gradually.
C'est pas que du plus bas,
It is not that from the
on
lowest
passe au plus haut.
we get to the highest.
Ça serait pas possible.
It will not be
Vous
possible.
comprenez?
You understand?
C'est que l'association
It is that the association
change la conscience
changes the
et
consciousness,
graduellement,
and gradually
notre conscience
our
nous amène
consciousness brings us
à la pure conscience de Krishna.
towards pure Krishna consciousness.
Ça prend du temps,
It takes time,
mais ça marche.
but it works.
C'est un processus.
It is a process.
Alors bien sûr,
So of course,
lorsqu'on dit
when we
processus,
say process,
on a l'impression que c'est
we
quelque
have the
chose de
impression that it
mécanique,
is something mechanical.
qu'on va attendre ça,
That
plus
will
ça,
attain
plus
this,
ça.
plus this, plus.
C'est pas du tout comme ça.
It's not at all like that.
Parce que l'amour,
Because love
ça peut venir de n'importe
come
quelle manière
from any way
et vous emporter de n'importe
and
quelle
bring you
manière.
in any way.
L'ordre qui est décrit par les acharyas,
The order that is given by the acharyas
c'est une façon
is a way
de décrire
to
ce
describe
développement de l'amour.
this development of love.
Mais Krishna peut faire
But
comme il veut.
Krishna can do as he wants, as he pleases.
It's okay?
Any questions online?
I have a question.
There's one question from Ananta Vilas, Prabhu. Yes.
Thanks, Maharaj. Thank you so very much. Please accept my humble obeisances. I have two questions. Okay. One clarification and one question. I joined a bit late, but Maharaj was mentioning about that Harinam and 6 hour association we should not be doing, and we should focus on the association. If you could clarify that point, that will be helpful. That is one question.
Let's start with that question first, okay? Donc, première question, il voulait une clarification. Donc, tu disais que c'est pas juste en s'associant, en faisant 6 heures d'Harinam. Donc, est-ce que ça veut dire qu'on doit délaisser ça? J'aimerais avoir une clarification par rapport à ça.
Non, on délaisse jamais notre service.
No, we never let go of our service.
Parce que c'est par le
Because
service
it is true service
qu'on reçoit la grâce
that we receive
des sadhus,
the grace of the
de Guru,
sadhus, of
de
Guru.
Prabhupada.
of
Jamais
Prabhupada.
on délaisse notre
Never
service.
will we neglect our service.
Mais
But
on délaisse jamais non plus Sadhu Sangha.
we never neglect also Sadhu Sangha.
Parce que c'est par Sadhu Sangha
Because it is true Sadhu Sangha
qu'on peut développer des sentiments
that
d'amour
we can develop feelings of love
et
and
avoir des sentiments
have feelings
dans notre service
in our service
et méditer sur Krishna,
and meditate on Krishna,
recevoir Krishna.
receive Krishna.
Il faut les deux.
We need both,
Mais jamais délaisser le service.
but never neglect service.
Il faut une harmonie entre
We need a
avec les deux.
harmony in between the two.
Parce que si on délaisse notre
Because
service,
if we neglect our service,
alors
then
on offense Guru,
we offend
Prabhupada.
Guru Prabhupada.
C'est pas une bonne
It's
conception.
not a good conception.
Il faut les deux.
We need both.
C'est pour ça que
This
Prabhupada
is why Prabhupada
a créé des activités.
created activities.
Et dans ces
And
activités-là,
in these activities,
il y a l'écoute
there is
et
listening
l'association avec les
and
Vaishnavas.
association with Vaishnavas.
Son but,
His goal
c'était de donner l'association au monde
the
entier
association to the whole world,
et en même temps
and at the same
engager le monde entier dans le
time,
service
engage
de
the whole
Krishna.
world in the service of Krishna.
On doit avoir les deux.
We need to have both.
C'est un équilibre.
It is a balance.
Mais si on n'a pas
But
Sadhu
if we don't
Sangha,
have Sadhu Sangha,
si on n'a pas pratiqué un haut
if we do
niveau
not practice
dans
on
nos
a high
vies
level
passées,
in our previous lives,
les sentiments ne viendront pas non
the
plus.
feelings will not come also.
Il faut les deux.
We need both.
C'est très
It's
important.
really important.
Celui qui a pratiqué à un haut niveau,
The one who practice on a high level,
quoi qu'il fasse,
no matter what he does,
Krishna est là.
Krishna is there.
Pour lui, c'est normal.
For him, it's normal.
Il pense que tout le monde est comme
He
ça.
thinks that everybody is like
Mais
that,
c'est pas le cas.
but it is not the case.
Donc,
So,
on doit avoir
we
cette
must
harmonie
have this harmony
d'une bonne association
of a good association
et satisfaire
and satisfy
Krishna et Guru Prabhupada
Krishna and Guru Prabhupada
à travers un bon service d'amour.
through a good service of love.
C'est très important.
It's really important.
Quand on sert,
When we serve,
la mission de Srila
the
Prabhupada,
mission of Srila Prabhupada,
on touche le cœur de Srila
we
Prabhupada.
touch the heart of Srila Prabhupada.
Mais,
But
dû à un manque de
due to a
purification,
lack of purification,
on ne peut pas avoir
we cannot have
directement
directly
son sentiment qui vient dans notre cœur.
his feeling that comes in our heart.
Il y a un darshan de Prabhupada.
There's a darshan of Prabhupada.
Donc, à ce moment-là,
So at this moment,
le Vaishnav devient
Vaishnava
manifesté
becomes manifested
à travers ses disciples,
through his disciples,
à travers des Vaishnavas
through Vaishnavas,
qui ont
who
cette
have
capacité
this capacity
de s'associer avec lui
to associate with
dans
him
leur cœur.
in their heart.
Et donc, à travers ces Vaishnavas,
And through these Vaishnavas,
on pourra développer l'amour pour
we will be
Prabhupada.
able to develop love for Prabhupada.
C'est vraiment très
It's
scientifique.
really scientific.
Tout est
Everything is,
organisé.
Organized.
C'est vraiment
it is really
une miséricorde qui nous
a
dépasse,
mercy that is beyond us,
une compréhension qui nous dépasse.
an
quoi.
understanding that is beyond ourselves.
Parce que Krishna est dans
Because
l'atome.
Krishna is in the
Il est
atom,
partout présent.
he is everywhere present,
Et la
and the
miséricorde
mercy
de son pur dévot,
of his pure devotee,
il la rend partout présente.
he makes it everywhere present.
Donc c'est quelque chose
So it is
d'inconcevable
something that is inconceivable,
qui nous dépasse en fait.
that is beyond us.
Comment Krishna va nous
How
sauver,
Krishna will save us,
c'est au-delà de toute
it is
compréhension.
beyond all understanding.
Mais
But
puisque les Vaishnavas
since the Vaishnavas
comme Bhaktivinoda Thakur,
Like
Vishwanath Chakravarti
Thakur,
Thakur, Jiva
Vishwanath Chakravarti
Goswami,
Thakur, Jiva
etc.,
Goswami, etc.
ont mis l'accent sur Sadhu
They
Sangha,
put the emphasis on Sadhu Sangha.
donc on met aussi l'accent sur Sadhu
So
Sangha.
we also put the emphasis on Sadhu Sangha.
C'est un principe.
It is a principle.
C'est pourquoi
This is why
les sadhus voyagent.
the sadhus, they travel.
Pourquoi ils voyagent?
Why do they travel?
C'est pour donner
It
l'association.
is to give association.
Sans ça, ils ne voyageraient pas.
Otherwise, they will not travel.
Parce qu'on a besoin de cette
Because we
association.
need this association.
Hein, le Chaitanya dit même
Chaitanya Charitamrita
un
says,
simple laps
even the
d'instant
simple lapse of a moment
donne la perfection.
gives perfection.
C'est tellement puissant.
It is so much powerful.
Mais
But
tout est le réceptacle
everything is the receptacle
de notre attitude.
of our attitude.
Si on n'est pas content de voir un
If we're
Vaishnav,
not happy to see a Vaishnav,
ça donne l'effet inverse.
it gives the opposite effect.
Mais si on a
But
conscience
if we're conscious
que c'est une
that it is
opportunité
an opportunity,
inconcevable,
inconceivable opportunity,
alors l'association vient dans
the
notre cœur.
association comes in our heart.
Il y a plein de dévots
There's all kinds of
qui
devotees
sont satisfaits dans
who
leur
are
niveau.
satisfied at their level.
Il y en a plein qui ne veulent pas progresser
There's
non
all
plus.
kinds who don't want to progress also.
Tout le monde est libre.
Everyone is free.
Krishna force personne.
Krishna doesn't force anybody.
Si quelqu'un n'est pas
If
prêt,
someone is not ready,
Krishna lui donnera une autre
Krishna will give
opportunité.
him another opportunity.
Un jour,
One
le
day,
désir viendra.
the desire will come.
Mais si on s'associe,
But if we associate,
le désir peut venir
the
rapidement.
desire can come quickly.
C'est ça que donne
This
l'association
is what the
avec les
association
Vaishnavas.
with Vaishnavas give.
C'est pourquoi Srila Prabhupada,
This is why Srila
il
Prabhupada,
voulait jamais qu'on quitte l'association des
he
Vaishnavas.
never wanted us to leave the association of Vaishnavas.
Jamais.
Never.
Thank you so very much, Maharaj. I am so grateful. Every word that you spoke has deeply touched my heart. I'm so grateful. I want to ask one thing, like, because you mentioned about this. This was my other question. Since you mentioned about this attitude, what is that attitude which will open our hearts to be receptive? And because we have, I will talk about myself, okay, being so much impure, being so fallen, okay, how can it so happen that the heart opens up to be receptive to what is there, okay? And how can we also understand, okay, because sometimes, okay, when we hear, there are some, you did mention about, okay, association of pure devotees, okay, who has had the darshan, okay? So how do we understand that? Because sometimes, okay, by hearing also, we develop so much doubts actually. So, and the mind tries to make its own reasoning actually over there. So if you could shed some light on that, Maharaj, that would be very helpful. Hare Krishna.
Donc, tout d'abord, je tenais à vous remercier pour ces mots qui touchent mon cœur profondément. Et j'en ressens une profonde gratitude. Et aussi, une autre question, c'est quelle attitude devons-nous avoir pour que notre cœur soit ouvert à cette association, à recevoir cette miséricorde, mais aussi comment nous devons comprendre la nature de cette association pour qu'on puisse voir pleinement la valeur et pour qu'on puisse ouvrir notre cœur et avoir la bonne attitude pour pouvoir recevoir pleinement cette association.
Il y a toujours un travail de Krishna.
There's always a work of Krishna.
Par nous-mêmes,
On our own,
c'est impossible.
it is impossible.
Mais Krishna
But Krishna,
fait en sorte
he makes it happen that
qu'à un moment,
at some point,
on ne trouve plus de goût dans ce
we
monde.
don't find any taste in this world.
Tout est fade.
Everything is pale.
Et à ce moment-là,
And then,
alors on pleure.
at that point, we cry.
Et on désire
And we desire
Krishna.
Krishna.
Ça, c'est un moment
This is a moment
que tout le monde connaît
that everyone knows
dans sa vie spirituelle.
in a spiritual life.
Et là, l'avidité
And then greed
se manifeste.
manifests itself.
Tant qu'on est satisfait
As long as we're satisfied
par les plaisirs
by
matériels,
the material pleasures,
une bonne situation
a good
matérielle,
material situation,
on ne peut pas connaître cette
we
conscience.
cannot understand this consciousness.
Mais lorsque Krishna fait en
But
sorte à
when
l'intérieur de nous-mêmes
Krishna makes it happen inside of
qu'il n'y a
us,
plus de goût,
that there's no taste,
alors l'avidité spirituelle
then
vient.
spiritual greed comes.
Et cette avidité,
And this greed
elle va être aussi
It will
donnée
be
à travers
also
une vision.
given through a vision.
On va pouvoir
We will be
reconnaître
able to recognize
les Vaishnavas.
the Vaishnavas.
Et on va ressentir
And we will feel
quelque chose de très fort dans leur
something
compagnie.
very strong in their company.
Quelque chose qui nous
Something
retourne.
that is like flipping us.
Quelque chose qui nous fait sentir
Something that
tellement
will make
d'amour.
us feel so much love.
Quelque chose qu'on n'avait jamais connu.
Something that we never knew before.
Même l'amour matériel, c'est
Even
tellement
material love
petit.
is so small.
Et alors on se sent
And then we feel
complètement extracté du
completely
monde matériel.
extracted from the material world.
Et à ce moment-là,
And then
on obtient l'avidité
we
pour écouter.
obtain the greed to listen.
Sans ça,
Otherwise,
ça s'imprègne pas vraiment dans le cœur.
doesn't impregnate really in the heart.
À un certain niveau,
At a certain level,
mais ça donne pas
but
prem.
it doesn't give prem.
C'est Krishna qui fait cet arrangement.
It's Krishna who makes this
Par
arrangement.
nous-mêmes, c'est pas possible.
On our own, it is not possible.
Ce fait
The
de
fact
pouvoir rencontrer,
of being able
un
to
pur
meet
dévot,
a pure devotee,
de recevoir sa
to
miséricorde,
receive His mercy,
ça c'est
this is
la miséricorde de Krishna.
the mercy of Krishna.
En fait, on dit
In
Krishna,
fact, we say Krishna,
mais c'est Shilada.
but it is Sri Radha.
Mais parce que Shilada,
But because Sri Radha
c'est un aspect
is
caché,
a hidden aspect,
alors on dit Krishna.
then we say Krishna.
Mais qu'est-ce que c'est la conscience
But
de
what
Krishna?
is Krishna consciousness?
C'est Shilada.
It's Sri Radha.
Mais
But
pour préserver
to preserve
la confidentialité,
the confidentiality,
alors les acharyas ont caché.
then the acharyas they have hidden.
Parce que Shirada,
Because Sri Radha,
elle peut être que
she
révélée
can be only revealed
quand la dévotion est pure.
when devotion is pure.
Ça, c'est pas possible.
Otherwise, it is not possible.
Si on essaye d'atteindre
If we try to
Shirada
attain Sri Radha
à travers une dévotion qui est pas
through
pure,
a devotion that is not pure,
alors on va
then we will
développer des mauvaises conceptions en nous.
false conceptions within us.
C'est pourquoi Srila Prabhupada
This is why Srila
et les
Prabhupada
différents acharyas
and the different acharyas,
ont protégé.
they protected.
C'est très scientifique.
It is really scientific.
C'est des pères.
They are pearls.
Des pères. Hein?
Des pères.
Des pères. Un père,
Okay,
une mère.
okay. They are fathers.
Donc en tant que père,
So as a father,
il nous protège.
he protects us.
Mais
But
tout est organisé par elle.
everything is organized by her.
On ne peut pas atteindre Krishna,
We cannot attain Krishna,
la conscience de Krishna,
Krishna consciousness,
sans sa miséricorde.
without her mercy
Et celle de ses
and the one
servantes.
of her servants.
C'est pour ça
This is why
elle envoie
she sends
Prabhupada.
Prabhupada.
Tout le service de dévotion
All of the devotional service
est organisé par elle.
is organized by her.
Krishna est celui qui
Krishna
reçoit.
is the one who receives.
Radharani,
Radharani,
c'est elle qui
she's the one
offre le service.
who offers the service.
Tout service de dévotion
Every devotional service
est sous sa juridiction.
is under her jurisdiction
Parce qu'elle est la personnification
because she is the personification
du service de dévotion.
of devotional service.
Mais ça,
But this
c'est quelque chose de caché,
is something that is hidden,
qui ne peut pas être révélé.
cannot be revealed.
Et c'est quelque chose qui est beau.
And it is something that is beautiful.
De toute façon,
Anyway,
quand vous parlez de Krishna, Krishna,
when we
Krishna,
speak
Krishna,
Krishna, Krishna, Krishna, Krishna,
qui est attiré?
who is attracted?
Radharani.
Radharani.
Et quand vous dites Radha, 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 Radha,
Radha, Radha, Radha, Radha.
qui est attiré?
Who is attracted?
Krishna.
Krishna.
Comme on est des Gaudiya.
Since we're Gaudiyas.
Un jour, chez la
One
Bhaktisiddhanta,
day, Srila Bhaktisiddhanta,
Je crois qu'il était au
I think
Radhakund.
he was in Radhakund.
Et il y avait des dévots qui chantaient
And there
Krishna,
were
Krishna,
devotees who were
Krishna.
chanting Krishna, Krishna,
Et il a dit la
Krishna.
différence
And
entre
he said the
eux
difference
et
between
nous,
them
c'est
and
eux,
us
c'est des
is that they
Karshnav.
are Karshnav,
Mais nous, on est des Gaudiya.
but we're Gaudiyas.
Nous, on est des serviteurs de
Whereas
Radharani.
we are servants of Radharani.
C'est Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada.
Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada said this.
C'est notre humain.
It is our mood,
Mais
but
c'est confidentiel.
it is confidential.
C'est révélé qu'à
It
un
is
certain
revealed
niveau.
only on a certain level.
Ça se passe dans le cœur.
It happens in the heart.
Quand on devient pur,
When we become pure,
alors elle se révèle.
then she reveals herself.
OK?
Thank you so very much, Maharaj. I'm so immensely grateful to you for every word. Thank you so much.
Merci Vilma, je suis très reconnaissant pour chaque mot. Merci beaucoup.
Hare Krishna Maharaj.
Yes?
Could you please repeat the last line, Maharaj? I couldn't hear. Radharani, you said something about Radharani.
OK. Elle voulait que tu répètes la dernière chose que tu as dit sur Radharani.
Je me rappelle pas.
She wants him to repeat the last thing he said
It
about
is-
Radharani.
You know, we don't tell everybody.
Come closer.
Maharaj shared that we don't share this with everybody else, something which is revealed later, that how we are servants of Srimati Radharani. From outside, it looks like we're servants of Krishna, but as Gaudiyas, we are servants of Srimati Radharani. That is what Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur said. Is that clear?
Thank you. Yes.
So you had a question, no?
Yeah, I did. Thank you, Gurudev. You already, it's amazing how the questions that I have, you seem to answer them without me even asking. So you kind of already answered this question, but as I progress, I feel this refinement. I feel my relationships that I thought were so important slipping, like just falling away, and just things that I thought, people that I thought were loving relationships just aren't in my life anymore. And I'm wondering how to turn that into those material desires into love and dedication to Radharani.
Donc c'est vraiment extraordinaire comment, même si j'avais des questions, juste en parlant, tu réponds à plusieurs de ces questions. Mais en fait, je me posais cette question. Comme je progresse dans le chemin de la dévotion, je vois que ces relations matérielles qui pour moi étaient les plus importantes m'échappent. Et je sens moins d'attachement à ces relations. Alors comment je peux transformer ces désirs matériels dans un sentiment de vouloir servir et aimer Srimati Radharani?
Je voudrais déjà faire un point
First of all, I would like to make one point,
qui est hors de cette question
which is beyond this question,
et qui va rejoindre la question.
but it will join the question.
C'est que nos acharyas
It is that our acharyas,
ont
they
développé
developed
à travers la philosophie
through the philosophy
une conception très élevée
a really elevated
pour
conception
retourner à Krishna.
to go back to Krishna.
Mais
But
à travers la miséricorde de Srila
through
Prabhupada
the mercy of Srila Prabhupada,
et ce désir de Srimati Radharani
this desire of Srimati Radharani
de libérer les êtres vivants,
to liberate the living entities,
on a atteint
we attained
un si haut niveau de miséricorde.
such a high level of mercy.
C'est pourquoi,
This is why,
même si ça paraît
even if it seems
inconcevable d'atteindre un si haut but,
inconceivable to attain such a high goal,
en même temps,
at the same time,
une très grande facilité est donnée.
a great facility, easiness is given.
Parce que c'est la nature de Radharani.
Because this is the nature of Radharani.
En proportion
In proportion
qu'il y a une difficulté,
that there is a difficulty,
en proportion elle donne de
in
l'aide.
proportion she gives help.
Par exemple,
example,
Shilagor Govinda Maharaj,
Shagor Govinda
il
Maharaj,
disait
he
que
used to say that
la miséricorde Radharani
the mercy of
est même plus
Radharani
présente en Occident.
is even more present in the West.
C'est normal,
It's normal
parce que les êtres ont
because
moins de
beings have
qualifications.
less qualifications.
Et on peut directement
And we can
expérimenter ça,
directly experience this
parce que
because
notre réceptacle,
our receptacle
en tant qu'âme conditionnée,
as a conditioned soul
est différent selon notre
is
naissance.
different according to our birth.
Et ce que peuvent faire
And what
les Indiens,
the Indians can do,
il y a des choses que nous, on ne peut pas
there
faire.
are things that we cannot do.
On n'est pas né sur le
We're
Dharma,
not born on the Dham,
dans une famille
in a
Vaishnava.
Vaishnava family.
On n'a jamais mangé que du
We
prashad dans
never
notre
ate
vie.
only prasadam in our life.
Et donc,
And then,
si on doit
if we must
atteindre
attain
sa miséricorde,
her mercy,
elle doit être plus grande pour nous.
it must be greater for us.
C'est pourquoi un
This
Indien,
is why an Indian,
il ne peut pas forcément comprendre
he cannot necessarily
ce
understand
qu'un occidental
what a Westerner
reçoit.
receives.
Et ça, moi, je l'ai
And
réalisé plusieurs fois.
This, I've realized this many times.
C'est quelque chose qui
It is something
peut
that
même les
that can
dépasser.
even surpass their understanding.
Moi, j'ai vu
have
de ce
seen
qu'on appelle des grands
What
Vaishnavas,
we call great Vaishnavas,
des choses qu'ils ne comprenaient pas.
things that they did not understand about this.
Moi, je l'ai vu,
I saw this,
senti.
felt it.
Ça, c'est la miséricorde Prabhupada.
This is the mercy of Prabhupada.
Il a donné
He gave
le moyen à tous
the means for everybody
de recevoir cette
to
miséricorde de
receive
Radharani.
this mercy of Radharani.
Un jour,
One day,
il y a un disciple de Prabhupada
there's a Prabhupada disciple
qui avait été resté bloqué en Inde.
who was blocked in India.
Et il avait pris refuge d'une Gaudiya Math.
He took shelter of a Gaudiya Math.
Et il était très malade.
He was really sick.
Il avait dit, oui, tu vas
He said,
quitter
yes,
ton corps
you will leave your
et tu
body
pourras
and
renaître en
you
tant
will
qu'un
be able to
Vaishnava.
take birth as a Vaishnava.
Ça, c'est la conception.
This is the conception.
Et Prabhupada, il dit,
But Prabhupada says,
ces personnes, ils peuvent
these
renaître,
persons, they can take
les
birth,
Indiens,
the Indians,
en Occident pour
Yes,
distribuer des
they can
livres.
take birth in the West to distribute books.
Pourquoi Prabhupada disait ça?
Why Prabhupada said this?
Parce que c'était un
Because
visionnaire
he was a
et
visionary
le détenteur de la miséricorde de Radharani.
and the beholder of the mercy
Et
of
lui,
Radharani.
il sait comment ça se
And
passe.
he knows how it happens.
Et c'est ça qui est puissant.
And this is what is powerful.
C'est pour ça qu'il a
This
changé
is why he changed
la conception.
the conception.
Alors bien sûr,
So of course,
tout ça c'est possible
all of this is possible
par l'attitude.
by the attitude.
S'il n'y a pas l'attitude,
If the attitude is not there,
on n'obtiendra rien.
we will obtain nothing.
C'est pour ça que le Seigneur
This is why
Mahaprabhu,
the Lord Mahaprabhu
il a beaucoup mis l'emphase
he
sur
put
l'attitude.
a lot of emphasis on the attitude.
Quoi, je dirais plutôt
I would say rather
que les dévots
that the devotees,
ont expliqué
they explained
le Shishastakam,
the Shikshastakam,
le 3e verset,
the
Trinala
third verse,
Pisuneshena,
Vinada Pisunechena,
comme la référence de
like
l'attitude.
the reference of the attitude.
Mais quand Mahaprabhu
But when Mahaprabhu
récitait ce verset,
recited this verse,
c'était une lamentation d'amour.
it was a lamentation of love.
Si j'étais humble,
If I was humble,
tolérant,
tolerant,
respectueux,
respectful,
mon Krishna serait là.
my Krishna will be there.
C'est parce que mon attitude n'est pas bonne.
It is because my attitude is not
C'est de
good.
l'amour.
It is love.
Mais de la même manière, ce verset,
In the same way, this
il peut
verse,
être compris
it can be understood
que par cette attitude,
only through this attitude.
alors
And then
on peut
we can
progresser.
progress.
C'est la base de notre
It
progrès.
is the basis of our progress.
La miséricorde est là.
The mercy is there.
Mais il ne faut pas simplement se mettre
But
dans
we
un
should not
canapé
simply put ourselves on a sofa
avec un bon oreiller,
with a good
une
pillow
petite boisson,
and a little beverage
en se disant,
by saying,
il y a la miséricorde.
there's mercy.
Non, non, il y a l'attitude.
No, there's the attitude.
Et l'attitude,
And the attitude,
ça veut dire le service,
it means service,
hein, le désir
the desire
d'avoir cette
to
miséricorde.
have this mercy.
Il faut la mériter aussi.
We need to deserve it. also.
Elle vient
It comes
graduellement
gradually
dans un cœur méritant.
in a deserving heart.
Ok. J'ai froid là.
I'm feeling cold.
Je vais attraper froid.
I will catch the cold, so
On s'arrête là.
we'll
Ok.
stop here.
J'arrive. Golpement. On n'a pas besoin de parler pendant une heure.
Si tu veux, on peut mettre un chauffage ici.
Ça Maharaj, il peut continuer.
Non, non.
Harikata Maharaj. Ok, continue un quart d'heure.
Ah,
Allez.
ok. Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah Shri Chaitanya Mano Vishtam Stapitam Jena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamayam Darati Swapadantikam He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandho Jagat Pate Gopisha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hare Priye Vanchakalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhubhya Vacha Patitanam Bhavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristaya Bhutare Shrimate Bhaktivedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Sarasvati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Niveshesha Shunyavadi Pashchatyade Shatadine. I thank my guru for putting me on the spot, for giving me this very precious opportunity to speak about Braj. One day he prayed. We were in our temple, and after I gave a class on Braj Lila, he went to the deities and he prayed sincerely to the deities that I will become an expert in this life in sharing Braj Katha. So based on this prayer and instruction from Maharaj, I am serving. So there's so many things to say about Braj, because Braj is like a beautiful lotus flower with unlimited petals. So where to start? Even Narada Muni, when he was speaking to accelerate the pastimes of Krishna, or I would say the appearance of Krishna, the manifestation of Krishna's pastimes in Vrindavan and Mathura, Narada Muni came to Kamsa, and he was just saying, but where, like the 8 children, it's like a lotus flower, which petal is it? Where do you start? Or Srila Prabhupada, for example, Srila Prabhupada wanted his disciples to read the Krishna book, and they said, that which chapter, Prabhupada? And he said, any chapter, because it's like a simply wonderful, it's like a sweet ball. No matter where you start, it's always sweet. So the pastimes of Braj are always sweet, whether you describe this one or that one. But so many things are coming to my mind. But I was speaking the other day about how the Sakas, they come and meet Krishna in the morning. But there's a very sweet pastime after they meet all together in the courtyard of Nanda Maharaj Palace. After that, well, first of all, we know that for certain that Krishna and the Sakas, they do a special dance in the morning in the courtyard. Did you know that just like the Sakis, they have a rasa dance? The Sakas, they have a kind of rasa dance also. They all dance together. And sometimes they dance together in a circle in the forest of Vrindavan. But every morning in the courtyard, so you can just picture that in the mirror of your heart. Every morning, the Sakas, they dance together for the pleasure of Mother Yashoda and Nanda Maharaj and all the servants that are there in the palace. And Krishna and the Sakas, they do beautiful dance. One time, one devotee in the class said that the Sakas, they don't know how to dance, and I don't agree with this. They're expert dancers. It's just that when the Sakas are dancing, it's different. It's not... they're expert in dancing, but the mood in which they express their love through the dancing is different than the Sakis. The Sakis, they dance in a particular way, but the Sakans, they dance, but in a Saka way. So Mother Yashoda, she's so pleased with the dancing of Krishna, Balaram, Subal, Sridham, Madhu Mangal, and all the Sakas that are present by billions, that she gives a special milk sweet to all the Sakas that are present. And after that, she gives instruction because Nanda Maharaj is not there at that time. Where is he? Sorry?
Went to pay the taxes.
No.
He's ready at the cowshed.
Yes, exactly. So Nanda Maharaj is already at the cowshed. Well, actually, at 6 o'clock in the morning, when Mother Yashoda, she wakes up Krishna, what does Nanda Maharaj do at that time? Before he goes to the cowshed.
He does deity worship.
Yes. Of who?
Shaligram Srila.
Yes, there's...
Narayan.
Yes, there's Lakshmi Narayan. This is the deity of his family, because in Braj, every family has a pair of deities. Or, I mean, sorry, yes, Nishingadev, exactly. Well, there's puja in his house, but at that time he is in the temple of Nishingadev, the Gargamuni temple, and then he does a special worship for his son, to Nishingadev for his protection. After that, he goes to the cowshed. And then Krishna and Balaram, they come, and it's very beautiful how it is described. They come together. They're like beautiful swans. And then there's just a very Saka mood, they're all together. And because they know that the day will start by milking the cows, and then they're getting a beautiful breakfast that will be served by the hands of Rohini Devi, cooked by Srimati Radharani and orchestrated by Mother Yashoda. So basically the Sakas, they're like waves of swans, and then they come to the cowshed. And what Nanda Maharaj does when he meets his son first, what does he do? He hugs him. But there's something very specific that is really, really dear for the devotees who are in Vatsalya Ras, is that it smells his head. Yes. Why? Yeah, it smells so good. It smells so good. Actually, Jiva Goswami, I think we should try that. If we have the opportunity and the ingredients, Jiva Goswami, or is it Rupa Goswami? No, it's Rupa Goswami. He says in one of his books, the recipe for Krishna's fragrance. He said you should have one part of camphor, one part of this and that. So I think we should try. Yes, definitely. I will be up to try this. So Krishna's fragrance is very, very special. And then he could stay, just like, for example, Mother Yashoda, she could stay forever with Krishna on her lap, breastfeeding him or just putting him. It's like Mother Yashoda, she has so much maternal love for Krishna that, for example, when Krishna was about to leave for Mathura, she had Krishna on her lap, and she didn't know if she should put him in her womb, if she should keep him like that forever, or if she should hide him behind a curtain. This is the love of Mother Yashoda. And it's just the same. Nanda Maharaj, he has Krishna like that, and he could just stay forever like this. This is a very special moment for Nanda Maharaj. And then the Sakas, first of all, it is explained that there's more opulence in the Goshala of Nanda Maharaj than in Vaikuntha. So imagine the Goshala. It's very beautiful. I mean, there are beautiful descriptions that I don't have at the top of my head right now. But the Goshala is very opulent, with beautiful, all the walls are full of beautiful, carved with beautiful jewels, and it's just very beautiful. So then Krishna, first, I mean, many things happen because everything is about love. And one reason why Krishna, because, I mean, it's very powerful when he's there with the Sakas and Mother Yashoda in the courtyard, and it's hard to leave that moment because there's so much love in that special meeting. But Krishna, he has to reciprocate with the love of all his devotees. That's why the pastimes, although they could stay forever, just like Nanda Maharaj, he could stay forever in the embrace of his son, because there's so many devotees who love Krishna, Krishna has to continue his pastimes. Otherwise, they will be in too much separation. And this is what happens, actually. What happens when Krishna is in... What makes Krishna go to the cowshed?
Nanda Maharaj love.
Yes, that's one. But there's something else also. The mooing of the cows. And it's described that the mooing of the cows is more beautiful than the recitation of the Vedas. So Krishna is, he hears, but when the mooing of the cows is are the tears of separation of the cows who are calling Krishna, because for the cows they're in Vatsalya Ras, and they're all mothers to Krishna, and they're crying to get their son back to them, and that's how Krishna is attracted by the love of his mothers, the cows. And then through that, he comes with the Sakas. And then together they go into the cowshed. And there's something very beautiful. Actually, Krishna has many cows. I mean, in Brahma Vrindavan, he has 900,000 cows, but in Goloka Vrindavan, he has unlimited cows. Do you know how the cows actually, how the Goshala increase? Actually, it's very beautiful. The cows, how the number of cows increase in the... Because Balaram, he has his group of cows, you know, Krishna, he has his group of cows. And it's very beautiful, actually. What happens is that every morning, this is right after Krishna is milking the cows, every morning there's a particular pastimes where the Sakas, they all come out, and then there's a beautiful arena. And in this arena, every morning there's a competition between two bulls, one of Balaram bulls and one of Krishna's bulls, and then they fight. And the winner is the one that pushes the other one behind the line of the circle. Every morning it goes like that. And then you have, it's like an arena. On one side, there are the dais, how do you call that? This dais, no? The dais. And then there's Balaram camp is there. And on the other side, Krishna camp. Even in the games, it's like that also. Krishna's camp is on one side, Balaram camp is on the other side. And then they shout who will be the winner. And and then there's a fight. And then they're all shouting, shouting the name of the bull and everything. And then there's a big fight, and they hit each other with the horns, and they push each other until the winner pushes the other one outside. And what happens is that the winner, he goes into the camp of the other, and he gets to be with another cow, and then he impregnates that cow, and then a calf is coming from their union. And that's how actually the cows, the Goshala increases day by day, because every day this happens. Sometimes it's in the camp of Balaram, and sometimes it is in the group of cows of Krishna. And it goes like that forever, for eternity. And that's how more and more cows are introduced into the Goshala of Nanda Maharaj. Very beautiful. So then Krishna comes into the cowshed. And I mean, he has like 108 main cows. Of these 8 principal cows, and of these 8, one is Krishna's favorite. And, you know, actually the cows, they will not give milk until Krishna first drink himself from the udder of the cow. That's how the cows, they start. So Krishna goes and he starts directly from her udder. And then the Sakas, so they all come, all the Sakas come, and every Saka takes care of a personal cow of Krishna. And like that, you know, they all sit on beautiful, it's described, just beautiful seats, ornamented seats with jewels. Every Saka sits, and then they put like they have a pot in front of them. And each Saka, every morning, takes care of one particular cow of Krishna. And each Saka has a special relationship with one of Krishna's cows like that. And then they milk, and it's described the sound of you know the sound when you milk the cows, and then the sound that comes into the pot, it's like a beautiful symphony. And after a while, there's so much ecstasy that the cowherd boys, they take cow dung and they throw it at each other. And there's a huge fight of cow dung. And then there's one, I think it is Daruka, one of the senior cowherd men. So he comes and then he sees the boys, they're just full of cow dung from head to toe. And then he kind of chastises them a little bit, but when he sees the sweet, loving face of Krishna and Balaram, his heart melts. And then he's obliged but to surrender. And every morning it's like that. They throw milk at each other, the cowherd boys. They throw cowherd dung. And we should not think that the cow dung, it's like everything is love, everything is prema. So when the cows, they give this cow dung, it's full of prema. And when the sakas, they throw that cow dung, they throw the prema of the cows at each other. And then it's like a battle of ecstasy, of prema, of ananda. And they revel in complete ecstasy. And after that, Daruka comes, chastises them a little bit. And what's beautiful is that the milk is a person. And there's different colors of milk, different textures. And although they will all be put together in the same big pot, because there are two cowherd boys that come, actually all the cowherd boys, they bring it into a big pot, which is sent to the palace of Nanda Maharaj. And although all the different milks of different colors, textures, fragrance, just like we know from the story of Damodar Lila, that Mother Yashoda, she selected the milk of two special cows that were grazing in a particular place of Govardhan Hill, where actually the grass was very special and the milk tasted like red lotus flower. So there are different fragrances to the milk. And although it mixes all together, when it is time to use the milk for different preparations, because they're all persons, they kind of separate each other so that it can be used for different purposes. So this is Braj. It's just very beautiful. And after that, the sakas, they do some wrestling also. So Krishna, he fights with Sridham Saka or with Balaram there, But usually it's a lot of fights are with Sridham Saka because Sridham is the ego of Krishna, and he likes to have a good fight with him every morning. So then after that, after these different games, they all go into, again, the palace of Nanda Maharaj, where they are served a beautiful breakfast, or I should say, it's breakfast, because then they have a lunch in the pasturing grounds, all the sakas together. So then the beautiful breakfast is there. Nanda Maharaj is in the front of Krishna, Subal is on his left, Balaram is there on the right, and then they just have a beautiful feast all together that is served by the hands of Rohini, and I was saying also cooked personally by Shrimati Radharani. And then Krishna, just before they sit to take prasadam, Krishna goes into the kitchen, not directly, but there's a small window. And every morning, Krishna with Madhu Mangal, what do? They go next. The window is a little high, so Krishna stands upon something, like a box or something, and then he watches through the window. And yes, he spies on Radharani, and Radharani, she knows that, so that's why when she cooks for Krishna in the morning, she makes sure she takes away her veil and her ornaments so that Krishna can have a beautiful darshan of her. And every morning, Krishna looks, and as he's looking at Radharani, Radharani, she knows that Krishna is looking at her. And what does she do? She looks at Krishna like that. And then she gives him a beautiful, glance. And when Krishna he sees Radharani in the eyes like that, he's so much struck by her beauty and her love that he falls like that on the ground. And then Mother Yashoda, she asks and she says, "What are you doing?" She chastises Krishna. "What are you boys? You're disturbing the girls doing cooking. Why are you doing that?" And then she takes Krishna and Madhu Mangal by the hand, and she brings them so that they can get changed before the meal. So these are the loving pastimes of Krishna, Balaram, the Sakas, and then later on Radharani. We could speak so much about all these. But let us today, as we continue with our daily activities, let us keep these beautiful, sweet, loving pastimes in our hearts so that we can stay in a sweet remembrance of Radha and Krishna and their dear associates. Jai, the beautiful pastimes of Krishna in Vrindavan ki. Jai Shri Prabhupada ki. Jai Nitai Gaura Premanande. Jai.